We did it.
Finish him! D16. We can lead Cybertron together. Don't do this. Finish him! What are you doing?
It's over, D. Everyone in Iacon knows the truth.
So do I! He took everything from us! I have to do this!
No, you don't. Rebuilding Iacon cannot begin with an execution.
He deserves to die! Can't you see that?
We're better than this. Don't be like Sentinel.
Pax, you need to move out of my way. Before I move you myself.
D, listen.
Finish him! No. Why? Why did you do that? Why?
D. No.
Finish him! I'm done saving you. Finish him!